Hey y'all, and welcome back to the Smith Family Ranch. So we have teamed up with Cob House Homestead. They wanted us to make an oxtail boiki. I think I said that right. I probably didn't. So basically a boiki, from when I watched their video, is basically just an outdoor stew. Currently, right now, we have rain every single day in the forecast. So we decided to go ahead and just make it on our stove. Let's get started. His instructions: heat up cast iron skillet and add large cut semi-whole onions. All right, let's get to it. So the instructions don't say how many onions. We like onions, so I'm gonna add a few more. I think that'll be enough. Ooh, yes. I hope my pot is big enough. All right, this is the oxtail that we got, beef oxtail. I have never had oxtail before. It looks so weird.
That you know of.
That I know of.
Yeah, it's probably your dad probably might have had some. They might have given you some, you just didn't know it.
Maybe.
We'll still find out.
Go ahead.
You know what happens with this. Even though it's from South Africa dish, we're gonna add a little Texas flavor into it. Some Shiner Bock, Texas beer. A whole thing.
I think about a cup or two. Let's put the whole thing in. Ooh. After the red wine, 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add salt and pepper to taste with some barbecue spice. So I wasn't exactly sure what barbecue spice, you know, if it's certain stuff for down there, but he
So
said
we're gonna add Texas style barbecue seasoning.
anything will work. So we'll let it simmer for 30 minutes. All right, so we also need to make some bread. Now, seems we're not cooking outside. I don't have the means to put coals on top, so I'm just gonna cook the bread in the oven. You gotta improvise, right? All right, so bread recipe calls for 1 pound of flour, which is 3 2/3 cups of flour. Or I could just use a scale. 1 pound of flour, 10 ounces of warm water with yeast. Don't you hate it when your measuring glasses, the marks wear off so you cannot see what it is? There's that one, and here's my big one. The marks are all gone. you know, what you can do is go get one of your mason jars, or yeah, ball mason jars. Get it? There you go. And on this side right here, I don't know if you can see, it's got the ounces. So that's 8 ounces, and that's 12 ounces, which would make that 10 ounces. So we'll just use this. I got my 10 ounces of warm water. Then it says to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of oil.
Wait, what? How does...
I'm gonna put it in here. All right, it's looking good. Good. Now it's gotta rise. All right, next thing is we are going to put the carrots and potatoes in. Potatoes. Now, our store didn't have corn on the cob, frozen or fresh, so we're just gonna. Want to put corn in it or just leave it?
Yeah,
We're just gonna omit it and leave what we got going on. They're not perfect, and I don't really care. We're gonna let them rise.
What's this called again? Oxtail?
Oxtail Boinkston? Something. It's based, well, it's supposed to be an outdoor soup.
Okay.
But, obviously the wet rain outside, we didn't.
It's really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get you some. That meat is tender. Wow.
That's just a carrot.
Oh.
Very tender. Really tender.
It's got a lot of flavor to it. Mm-hmm. It's really good.
It's hot.
It's hot, yes, but it's really good.
Oh yeah. That's super tender too.
Hello.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Yeah. This is real good.
I know.
Go ahead, get another bite.
Okay. Mm. Oh yeah. We can't tell the kids what's in it.
Because this is a dish from South Africa. Okay? It's beef. Blow on this. It's really hot though. Blow on it. It's really hot. I don't want you to burn your
Mouth.
Yeah. That's just a carrot, dude. Come on, hurry. Take a bite.
Really?
Come on.
Wow.
You could have caught it with your hand. Don't eat it. It's on the floor.
Eat it.
Right
Like
there.
it?
Yeah.
For real. What'd you take? Carrot?
I got you, Hunter. Don't worry.
Yeah, give me that big piece.
It's hot. Pull it out the
Hot.
eggs.
That's good.
What do you think?
Yeah, but the fat.
You know what it is?
What? Fat?
Nope.
What?
You are eating the tail of a cow.
Oh yeah, the whatchamacallit tail.
Oxtail.
It's called oxtail, but it's the tail of a cow.
But it was good, wasn't it?
A cow, you said?
A cow.
Yeah, the tail. The tail of a cow.
That's thin, though.
I know. You should have seen it when I took it out of the package. It was good.
It was pretty good.
It was really good.
Great dish.
It was, yeah, it was really good. And I hope we made you proud, Cob House Homestead.
Yeah.
Because we didn't make it outside, and I couldn't bake the rolls inside the cast iron pot. So I improvised, just like you guys did with our taco soup. So I hope we,
It's good.
I hope we did a good job. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.